Hi, my name is Zara and I am fashion and textile instructor at Nifty Swear Institute of Art and Designing. And in this video, I am going to show you how to make a corset pattern using masking tape. So basically, what is corset? Corset is a structured garment that you wear under any garment to give a structured or desired look to your torso. Traditionally, it was used to get a thinner waistline or larger bottom area. And it could be made in any kind of shape and look. Usually it is also used nowadays to get a gown or a proper designing element in garments. How to make a corset pattern using masking tape on draping. Basically, draping is a body form. We will use a mannequin and taping masking tape to make a corset pattern. Okay, for taping we will need a mannequin and we are going to use masking tape to tape it. Make sure you are going to tape it along with the center front towards the center back. Asymmetrical designs के लिए हम half के ऊपर pattern construct करते हैं and then we just flip it to get the other side. So हम इसको masking start कर देंगे, but one more thing, make sure कि masking बहुत proper और neat हो. And secondly, you have to overlap the masking tape इसको apply करते हुए. क्योंकि किसी भी पार्ट पे बल्क आ रहा है तो आप अपनी मास्किंग टेप को स्निप कर सकते हैं, कट्स लगा सकते हैं ताकि ये प्रॉपर बस्ट की शेप के अकॉर्डिंग एडजस्ट हो. Okay, now I'm going to use marker to mark the desired look of the corset on the taping. I'm going to start with the center front. I'm going to make the center front a little more proper and I'm going to shape along the bust circumference. You can get any shape. If you want to get a triangular shape, you can go for it, or you can get a sweetheart or a curved shape for the corset pattern. And it's up to you. If you want 2 panels or 3 panels, that's a design element, you can do it according to your required. With blue color, I roughly marked the desired design, and now I used red marker to make the lines more prominent, and I'm going to make the inside seam lines. After this, I'm going to mark the panels. This is the center front. We write CF for center front. This is panel 1, 2, panel 3, 4, 5 and 6. For bust cup, we are going to mark A, B and C. And now I'm going to remove this masking tape from the mannequin and I'm going to cut it. Okay, for removing the masking tape, make sure you have secured the edges so it comes out nicely. So this is the pattern that we got, and now I'm going to cut it using a scissor. Now I'm going to cut the panels. That's the reason why we have numbered it, so we know which panel to be fixed where. I have marked the panels, the center back panels and center front panels. So when I'm stitching, it will help me to place the panels on the perfect positioning. And I'm going to use boning in inner seams to get the desired structured look that corset is usually made for. And these are the front panels, 3 front panels and 3 back panel. And this 3 parts ABC that I named is for the cup shape. Thank you so much for watching the video. Hope you understand the process of corset making, and for more lectures, stay connected.